Hey news, my lovely, wonderful people. Rivers, as we speak right now, Wike's camp is having serious tension. Rivers State House of Assembly declares vacant seats of four pro-Fubara lawmakers. As Fubara disagrees, says this is not acceptable and refuses any of such, saying it is not allowed to happen in any way, form, or kind. This is exactly what is going on now. There is a lot going on. Everybody's watching. I want to get to the very bottom of it to understand, what the next line of action will be. As we speak at the moment, Wike's guys are declaring four Wike's boys, four Fubara's guys seats vacant in the house. They are trying everywhere. I know very much that if the house is against you, that is it. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. The Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Martin, had officially declared the seat of Edison Ehi, the chief of staff to Governor Sim Fubara, and three other pro-Fubara's lawmakers vacant due to their absence for legislative seating for 152 consecutive days. During a preliminary section on Tuesday, he explained that he failed to promptly notify the House of his new office, which has now resulted to his leaving the House, and he is no longer welcome in here. Also, other members who have also refused to do the right and proper applications for absence in the House are also going to face the fallout of the law. The Rivers Assembly, led by Martin, has officially declared the seat of Edison Ehi, the chief of staff to Governor Sim Fubara, and three other pro-Fubara lawmakers vacant due to their absence for legislative seating for 152 consecutive days. During a preliminary section on Tuesday, Edison explained that he failed to properly notify the House of his new office, which resulted in the declaration of his seat as vacant and separate vote for Victor Okejumbo. The two other lawmakers and assembly confirmed their prolonged abstinence without notification or permission constituted in violation of the 1999 Constitution. In light of the development, the House resolved to notify the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to conduct election within 90 days to fill the vacant seat, ensuring proper representation of the affected constituencies. Additionally, the Assembly granted Governor Sim Fubara another opportunity to present the 2024 appropriation bill following the appeal court nullification of the 800 billion budget that he had previously submitted to a parallel house led by Edison Ehi. That as the situation unfolds, the decision to declare the seat vacant underscores the ongoing political tension within Rivers Assembly and raises question about the future of governance and representation of the region. The governor of the state, Sim Fubara, has since responded, saying, "There is no chance I will allow any of this. Rivers State will not have charlatans as leaders trying to infiltrate into the state and cause unholy attention and destroy the very thing we are building. This will not be allowed to happen as long as I remain the governor of the state. They will not have their way. They are not the House of Assembly and they have no place in making decision. The appropriation bill has been passed and so it will be. We will not allow any of them in any way, form, or kind to decide what happened. The House Assembly leader remains the person who is there. He remains the House Assembly leader. And so we will not allow any of them in any way to continue to decide what happened in the state. Rivers State will continue to march forward and be the very best. We will resist them no matter what and however they come. Wike will not be allowed to penetrate the state and to do anything that will destroy the state. He should mind FCT and be a good minister, not come here to cause trouble. So my lovely people, this is exactly what is happening. Everybody can see, and you know that until decisions are made for the change to come, it's going to be really difficult. Wike's guys have made up their minds to ensure that they frustrate everything called growth and development in the state in every way they can. Okay, and now his own people are doing everything they can to bring, the cast shades on on Rivers, because the truth of it is, if the House does not approve a bill, how will the governor be able to function? These are part of Wike's plan, and he did very well by strategically positioning people. Okay, strategically positioning people to ensure that they are the ones who decide the future of the state. So it is a very, very, very difficult moment, I can tell you, as Fubara has duly notified everyone that he's not going to sit back there and allow these people, loud and clear, that he will not allow, any of these people in any way, humanly speaking, possible, to derail him or to make him feel like he has no voice. So this is exactly what is happening. Wike is the FCT minister, but he will not allow, he will not allow Fubara to rest. He has promised Fubara that Fubara will fail. And this is exactly what he's doing. He has promised Fubara that Fubara will not succeed as a governor. Just imagine that the House is not with Fubara. First of all, they are saying the first bill, appropriation bill that he presented, is null and void. And that is to say, he cannot even go ahead and start any meaningful development. Whatever he has proposed had to be on a hold. But he's saying to everyone, it will not be allowed to happen. He will not allow anyone, any Tom, Dick, or Harry, to decide the future of the state. Fubara said that he calls them charlatan, that they will not succeed in this very, mission that they have taken on, because he will withstand them to the very end, and none of them will succeed in any of this way at all. They said because he's ready to take the bull by the horn and to ensure, that these people who are infiltrating and posing themselves as so-called House members do not succeed in this very, venture that they have put themselves in. Anyway, my guys, what do you think? It is a very, very serious one. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. And from us, it's bye for now. Have a good day. Bye-bye.